Myself Akshay. I am from Ahmednagar and I am pursuing in second year GH Raisen University. And today's my topic is the story of the golden egg. Once upon a time, live there was a live farmer who was very poor. He was decided to work, earning the fulfill units. One day, after returning from his work, he was hungry and he think to what shall I do for a night. After that, he heard to the hens clunching of its hunts, and he decide to the uh, the hens is good fear for me. Then he decide to kill the he kill the hen and eat for meat of his. Then he going to the he after some efforts he caught the hen and going to the kill him. But that time the that time hen said to the farmer, please don't kill me, I will help you. After that time farmer said, oh surprise, you are speaking, how and but how can you help to me? Then then hen said to the farmer, I will daily golden egg lay for you, and you can sell them and you can earn the money. Then farmer said, how can I believe you? At that time hen said to the farmer, okay, if I don't give you the tomorrow any eggs, that time you can kill me. These words heard to the farmer and uh, decide to the leave to the hens in his hunts. In the next day morning, farmer woke up is early in the morning and go through the near the hens hunts hens hunts and looking for the golden egg. He was very surprised. Actually, the farmer taken the eggs and goes to the market for the sale. And the town, he is going to the market in the city. He stand the middle of the road and shouting the egg for sale, a golden egg for sale. Then a lot of people gather and looking for the golden egg, and everyone said to be, I have not, I want to buy it. That time farmer said, I will give you tomorrow another one. That time they sold to the egg for a good price. And after that he came to the home very happily. In the next morning, he woke up once a time earlier and directly gone through the near the hens hunt. He looking for another golden egg. He then uh, go to the after that market and gold the egg for a good price of money. They are this process are doing These process are going to every day. And the poor farmer become a rich man, and he was very happy. Once decided, if i I want to more greed and I want to more money, that time I have a lot of eggs for certain days. That time he decide to the if I kill the hen, and his inner lot of eggs are stored. But after egg up, then he decide to the kill him and cutting the head. But in his inside there are no any eggs. That time he very upset and then thinking about why kill his, kill to the hens. They are very sad to be. That is the story of the and actually what is the moral behind the story? It is possible to the it is possible to the it is possible to it is possible to the if you want to satisfy to need, but it is impossible to the greed of the it is impossible to the greed, but it is possible to the need. That's thank you so much for my hearing the golden egg story. Thank you.